Right, good afternoon everyone. Now, I did say on the little video I've just done that I've got another kit, and here it is. So I'm going to go through it in a minute, but first I've just received my new book. Now what Ray and I do when you order, you know, if you order from the shop I get a printed copy of that, but if you ask me to save you something, then what I have to do is to write it down. So what I do, I use books like this, and it's obviously we put your number, the date when you order it, and your name, and then I write a list of what you've ordered, and then I invoice you, and I note down what date I've invoiced you. And that's just in case somebody says, oh, I haven't received the invoice. I can say, well, we did send it on so-and-so, so look in your spam or something like that. And when you let me know that your order's arrived, not everybody does, but majority of you do, then we go in and we stamp it with the shop stamp that's parcel received. And that way we know you've got it. So, yeah, so when the parcels go, we put the date when they're posted. We put all the details on the sheet so that we know when you ordered, how much. We also put down what you spent, so we can, if we ever have to look for a parcel, it's got the right amount on, so we know which parcel we're looking for. After 4 or 5 days, where's my parcel? I think, well, you live in America or Canada or Australia. It takes a little bit of time. So I can tell them when we've sent it out. So we know when you've ordered. So we have the date when you order. The date it went out. The price that you've spent. So we get the right order. And then the date it arrives. So we're in perfect, you know, in sync with everything. We know what's what. It's how we keep a check. And I keep these books. These go to the accountant once a year. So we can work it out. So yeah, that's what we do. We are on top of things, you know. I know I'm working on my own at the moment, and I don't have the unit like I used to have, but we're managing, you know. Business went downhill after COVID, but since then it's building back up slowly. And of course we have our regulars every week, every month. As I was saying, I do try always to accommodate everybody, and I try my best to get you everything that you request. Saying that, this is the new kit. Now we do have a couple of kits left on the shop, so run along. I'm going to show you. You get a little tub and it's full of little goodies. I want to hide this one because I don't want you to see what it is, because each one's got a different one of those. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically lift the things out one by one. So I've given you all a piece of this. It's a pink and cream kit, this one. So you can cut these little doilies out, you've got them, or you can use it as is. So you've got a large piece of that. I'm going to try and pack it. Then I've given you a large piece of this one, which is the embroidered. Isn't that gorgeous? There's enough here to make either a small book or a plaque. Large doily. Let's put that there. I've given you a large piece of this because it's quite long, so you've got a large piece. Now what I loved about this one, I've cut these before. I know it's a bit tedious, but they're tiny little flowers, so I've cut this off here and then cut those out and used them on a page. But and then you've got this as well. So you know, you've got that one. Now there's some more doilies here. So you've 2 of those. The cream one, like a Catherine wheel, I look at it like that. Then you've got that one. Then on top of that, you've also got that one. And then you've got that one. I've put in one of these, which is the applique that you can snip out. I've also given you all a piece of this. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Yeah. cotton. Then I've given you a piece of this. So like I say, you can make a wall hanging or something with it. Some more doilies. A metre, it's over a metre to be honest, of the beautiful satin ribbon. Like that. Then I've given you some of this, which is the new one we've got in. It's gorgeous as well. We do that at 2 metres or 2 yards on the shop. I've given you that applique, which is gorgeous. Some of the Nottingham lace in cream. That's that one. And the same in pink. At least a metre of each there. So I've got some really nice fabrics, laces. Then I've given you this one, which is gorgeous. This is the vintage style. Make beautiful, beautiful flowers. So I'll put that there. Then I've given you some of the green, that way, of the Guippier trim. Just to put a different bit of colour in it. I've given you a piece of this one as well, which again is gorgeous. That can go there. And then you've got this one as well. Isn't that stunning? Just beautiful. They're all big enough to make a flower with. So you've plenty of flower materials there. I've also included some of the beaded trim, which is that one. It's beautiful. Like if you're making a plaque, perfect size. Like that. Giving you that particular applique. Make sure I get it the right way. Yep. So that applique. 3 of those daisies, the large ones, are beautiful. Either pink or white butterfly that you can decorate up. Put that there. I've given you 3 of the butterflies that you can add to your project and put little beads in if you want. Now, wait a minute, because that needs to go in there. You get one of these, which is the crown pin, but it's a stick. Piece of that lace. One of the butterfly appliques. That one. And they're all slightly different, but they're... What am I doing? You can't even see that. Sorry, back to front. That one, but like I say, they are all slightly different. Some of you have got 2, because if they're only small, or I add extra, I put them in. So you've got that one as well. And there's a little bit... Oops. Now, where did that go? Let me get my little flower, because I lost a little flower. Oops, a daisy. Then you've got some of the corded applique as well. You've all got one of those. You've all got a crown. You've either got a white or a pink rolled rose. They're the ones I make. You've also got some beautiful beaded trim. You've also got a strip of the pearl if you're putting it on a... whatever you want to do with it. You can cut them into sections and make a tassel. And then I've given you this one as well, which is the 2mm one. So you've got those. Then I've also got some bits at the side of me here that I'm going to share with you. So I just want to pop these back in the box because Raymond's going to pack them all for me. There's only 6 kits available if you want them. So grab them while you can. These will be on the shop. I just need to take a picture of them, which I should have done just then, but never mind, I'll do it in a minute. So yeah, lots of lovely goodies. On top of that, like I said in the little clip before this one, some of you will get, well, you'll all get a piece of jewellery of some sort. This particular one, there was only one of these, so I've put in this particular kit. It'll be potluck which one you get. There's birds, diamanty birds, there's, I think it was cameos or something, but you'll all get something exquisite. That's just stunning. Flat back, so you can actually put it on something. So whoever gets this will get that particular piece. Then on here we've got some little flowers. Now you can have them either way, felt or shiny. You'll get this little tub, and in this tub you'll find one of those, the pink flexible heart, pink or cream it'll be. You get a disc to cover if you want to. You get in that little applique, those little appliques, I think there's another one in there somewhere, the gorgeous button, one of those, and one of those. You're getting 6 of those, and then you're going to get a selection, oops, you're getting the cameo, a heart of some sort. It doesn't matter what the colour is, they're the only hearts I had. You got more little diamanty things like this, but oh, you get one of those as well. Big pearls, crystals, like that, and that's the whole kit. Now if you want that kit, run to the shop now. It's the pink and cream kit. Grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.